Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find the first quartile in Excel. We'll start by understanding what the first quartile means for your data. Then, I'll show you how to use Excel's powerful quartile.inc function, a simple tool for this calculation. Finally, you'll learn to apply this function to your own datasets, making data analysis much easier and more insightful. Let's dive in. The first quartile, often called cone, is a crucial measure in statistics. It represents the value below which 25% of your data falls. Imagine dividing your entire dataset into 4 equal sections. Cone is the boundary of the first section. This helps you understand the spread and distribution of your data, giving insights into the lower end of your values. It's a fundamental concept for data analysis. To calculate the first quartile in Excel, you'll use the quartile.inc function. First, select an empty cell where you want the result to appear. Then type equals quartile.inc open parenthesis followed by your data range, a comma, and the number 1. Close the parenthesis. The array is your data, and one tells Excel you want the first quartile. It's that straightforward. When applying the quartile.inc function, simply highlight the cells containing your numerical data for the array argument. Remember, for accurate quartile calculations, your dataset should contain at least 4 values. This function is incredibly useful for quickly identifying the 25% mark in various datasets, from sales figures to test scores. It provides a clear snapshot of your data's lower distribution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.